Hey, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a short tutorial on how you can verify your address or PIN using the same ID card you used in verifying your account. That's in doing address verification for Google Adsense. So if you are a blogger, you are a YouTuber, you should know that there are two types of verification. We have the address verification and we also have the ID verification, where Google gets to know more about you, what you do, what you look like, and where you stay. So if you are finding it difficult to get your PIN and do your address verification, I think this is a major issue for those of us in Africa, especially Nigeria, Ghana, Benin Republic, and some other African countries. Yes, so if you are finding it difficult to do this verification, just follow this guide and you are good to go. Before you get started, please make sure you change your address, that's the address in your Adsense account, to the address on the ID card you are about to use. So get your ID card and follow me step by step to get your account verified. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel after watching this video. I love you so much. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So the first thing you need to notice is that you need to ensure that you have at least over $10 in your account and you have gotten an email from Google AdSense. Now this is my account, and as you can see, I need to verify my PIN, and I've been expecting it for over 3 months. So what you need to do right here is you go up a little, then you click on learn more. Once you click on learn more, it will take you to a page. And on that page, you need to scroll down to where you would see something like troubleshoot. So you're going to troubleshoot your PIN. That is it, PIN troubleshooter. Now, once you click on PIN troubleshooter, it's going to take you to a page where you have to fill a certain form. And that is what is open. Okay, it has opened. So you have to confirm your email address. That's step 1. Then step 2, you have to tell them no, you haven't received your PIN. That's step 2. Then step 3, it's going to ask you to fill a form. So that form is the major place we are going to. Now, once you click on it, it will ask you for your name, for your email address, your publisher ID. I assume you know your publisher. If you don't know it, go to your Adsense account to copy your publisher ID. Now, your name must be the same thing with what is on the ID card, and also ensure that your address is the same thing with what is on your Adsense account. Yes, exactly the same address, the same address that reflects on your ID card. In this case, I'll be using voter's card, which we use in Nigeria to vote, both the front and the back. So I'm going to upload the front page first, then I will also upload the back page. Now let's upload the back page. We are almost there, guys. Just calm down, and this will soon be over. Now you go to your gallery and pick the back page. Let's pick it. After selecting back page, then you submit. Now let's go down and submit. Submit. Now I've submitted it. And after this, it's going to show you a success email. Now the next thing is you go to your email, you get an email from them in like 1 to 2 minutes that tells you, congrats, you've been able to verify your account. Then you can also go to your Adsense account to verify that you did it correctly and it has been verified. As you can see, it's verified. That is it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and bye for now.